goes. Let me tell you a little bit about the song. Certainly for those of you listening afterwards, when you listen back to this live stream, then you'll be able to listen to the whole story, won't you? Yes, I'll stop chattering away. So, here we go. This all happened about 18 years ago when a group of friends and I adopted a chimpanzee called Charlie at Monkey World in Dorset. And he was a fantastic chimp. It's a rescue centre, this place. There was a TV programme all about it called Monkey Business. And the owner was fantastic. His wife was a vet, and she would look after the chimpanzees mainly, although there was an orangutan there as well. And they were absolutely wonderful people. And anyway, we did a gig down there after raising some money by creating some songs. Hello everybody, if you're online, give us a message, send me a little message. I'm trying to work out if the sound and the picture are good, so tell me that, give me a wave. And sorry, I keep looking over there because I've got messages coming up over there and I'm looking at my own screen and everything's so confusing. Anyway, hello, welcome to the Liz and Scats channel. I should do that, shouldn't I? Ping. So yes, Monkey Love You is a song that I wrote, and every one of the people who did the gig, we all kind of wrote a monkey-based song, and this one is called Monkey Love You. Send me a comment. Even if you're listening back afterwards, tell me how it sounds to you. So, the song goes like this. Enjoy, it's a bit of fun. You look intense, got a monkey on your back. If you don't slow down, gonna go cardiac. Then when you're lying in the operating room, doc says clear and your heart go boom, 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 ba-boom, boom, ba-boom, boom. And that's when you realize he's a monkey in disguise. Got a big mask and he's scrubbed up clean. Can you hear those nurses scream? Ah, monkey love you, pa-pa-da-pa-pa. Monkey love you, pa-pa-da-pa-pa. Monkey love you, don't you know you gotta love your monkey back? Oh yeah, let's go. Go to the clinic, got a problem with your eyes. Every time you see the nurse uniform, you fantasize. Doc says, son, you've been spanking the monkey too long. Gotta take care of your monkey, Monkey Kong. Ba-boom, boom, ba-boom. And that's when you realize he's a monkey in disguise. And he's got a big mask and he's scrubbed up clean. Can you hear those nurses scream? Ah, monkey love you, ba-ba-da-ba-ba. Monkey love you, ba-ba-da-ba-ba. Monkey love you, don't you know you gotta love your monkey back? Monkey love you one time. Monkey love you 2 times. Monkey love you 3 times. That's too much monkey. Ooh-ha, monkey love you, ba-ba-da-ba-ba. Monkey love you, don't you know you gotta love your monkey back? Doctor, doctor, I feel like a pair of monkeys. Pull yourself together, man. Ooh-ha. Monkey love you, ba-ba-da-ba-ba. Monkey love you, ba-ba-da-ba-ba. Monkey love you, but you know you've gotta love your monkey back. A monkey, 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 monkey love you. Monkey love you. Oh yeah. Monkey love you. That was the song. If any of the MLY, that's what we used to say, if any of the MLY fans are listening back in Leicester, which is where we were all gathered at the time, then please put a comment below, and you could even post your own song in the comments as well. Let's see how many of the songs we can get up online today, right now. Let's do it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the song. The live stream is tomorrow with Liz, and we're going to be talking about let's see, the blood test results for diabetes, and we're going to talk about all things keto and fasting and our wonderful lifestyle and the fantastic weight loss. I've lost 70 pounds, and Liz has lost about 40 pounds. Amazing, isn't it? Anyway, that's all for now. I will see you tomorrow. I hope you noticed I've been rocking the Star Trek t-shirt, so live long and prosper. See you Wednesday evening at 8 o'clock in the evening. That's GMT +1, or BST as they call it. If you're on the eastern seaboard of America, that's 3 p.m. If you're on the western seaboard, then it's 10 o'clock in the morning, and it's going to be every Wednesday. Of course, the time might change because next week the clocks change. So anyway, I'll announce that next week. Hope you've enjoyed that. Give me a wave. Bye for now.